Becoming a prompt engineer is all about mastering the art of communication with AI. First, you need to understand the basics of how AI models work. Dive into natural language processing and get familiar with concepts like tokens and context. Next, practice crafting clear and specific prompts. Instead of saying, "Tell me about dogs," try, "What are the top 3 dog breeds for families?" This specificity helps the AI give you better answers. Experimentation is key. Don't hesitate to tweak your prompts and see how the AI responds. Learn from those interactions. Also, keep an eye on emerging trends in AI technology. It's a fast-paced field, and staying updated is crucial. Finally, join communities or forums where you can share ideas and get feedback. The more you engage, the sharper your skills will become. So, dive in, practice, and have fun with it.